the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Hey, let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away.
Hello y'all, and welcome to another week in my life. Today is the first week of my life not in Florida. I'm in Ohio now, and it's January 31st, last day of January, and it is 12:58. I always forget if it's AM or PM. 12:58 PM. Sorry, I cannot even talk. I'm so tired. It felt so good to sleep in. I wanted to sleep in more, but I had to get up because I had stuff to do today. I am going to unpack today, but oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I'm gonna take you guys with me for the whole week, so let's have a great week. I have to show y'all my new Air Forces. They're literally so cute. My sister got them for me. Look at that. Look at that. So pretty. And here's the other one. But like, oh, I don't know where I'm gonna wear them because I don't want to ruin them, but they're so cute. So cute. All right, time to unpack.
Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
This shit is so annoying. Happy Tuesday. It is February 1st. January is over and it is 2:22 p.m. Oh my gosh, why am I so tired? Let's hope this call to DoorDash does not take forever, because I know every time I call Apple, I'm on the phone for at least 3 hours or hold half the time, but oh my gosh. Hopefully this takes not that long. To change it to? Sorry, what? Yes, that didn't take forever. That is literally so clutch. So clutch. So now I'm texting everyone who didn't pick up their shirt before I left for vacation, but I'm not even gonna lie, I feel like no one's gonna answer because that's just what people do. Just ghost you after they say they want something. Hopefully they'll answer. We'll see. Take a look how many packages they have. Like at least 7. Outfit of the day. Shirt from someone caught this at like a football game or something. And then these is really hard to do. And these leggings are from Victoria's Secret. Change in plans. I am picking up Minnie and my parents are eating without me. Love that. Really, just really love that. Minnie. I was here. Y'all, I got Chick-fil-A for dinner and I forgot to vlog it. First world problems. I will see you tomorrow. Happy Wednesday. It is February 2nd and it is 12:50.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty.
Changed again because I'm actually hanging out with people and I realized my shirt is see-through. Love that. That's what you get when you try to buy cheap stuff. That's what you get. It is raining and I am not here for it. Guess what's on tonight? Big Brother and The Amazing Race. And my mom's sleeping with Minnie Mouse. We gotta watch it right now. Happy Thursday. I can't believe it's Thursday already. That's crazy. It is 12:39 and there's a big snowstorm coming, an ice storm coming, so pretty sure I'm gonna stay in my house the whole day, but I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do today. This is what it looks like outside. It doesn't look that bad, but it's supposed to get very, very bad. It's 7:06 and I just finished editing. I looked back on the clip, like, because I was recording like right when I started. I wasn't sure if that was Okay, what the heck? Dude, camera, your face. Anyways, I looked at the time when I started editing and I think it said 3:16. So I've been editing for 4 hours, but I'm not sure if I was on TikTok before or after 3:16 because I was on TikTok for a long time and got super distracted. But the thing I don't understand about me is like, okay, I'm like ADHD, so like school, no. Reading books, no. Like any of that stuff, no, I can't do it. But when it comes to editing, I will sit here for 12 hours straight and edit a video, no problem. I don't understand. I think my mom's coming up to get me for dinner, so peace. How does anyone eat this stuff? So gross. Oh my gosh. Thank the Lord I'm not eating that tonight. Pizza for Tori. It's 11:38 and I'm going to bed because my night ended bad and I hate to let people affect my mood, but that definitely happened tonight. So good night, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Happy Friday is 1:59.
Turning 30, I ain't.
We have these cookies from Christmas. I want to try one. The pecan, butter pecan meltaways, melt in your mouth. Did you try them yesterday? Not bad, not bad. I give it a 6.5 out of 10. It says not bad, but it's not like the best. Mochi mango. Hey guys, it's late Friday night. I ended up not going out because the roads are awful right now. I'm sorry if this vlog wasn't as long. I really didn't do much this week at all. That's the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.